Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Wow, we have great collection today. Let's check them out. Woo! This new fire truck, miniature fire truck. Wow. Woo! You can shuffle it. Hey, whoa. Whoa! Isn't it nice? Looks good. Whoa! Woo! First collection. Haha. Whoa! Another powerful truck. Engineering powerful truck, heavy duty. Wow! Nice powerful truck. Hey, red switch. Wow! Sharp looking blue and yellow power truck. Whoa! Next comes another space truck. Whoa! It's a dump truck. It can contain small vehicles such as this one. Whoa! Great space. Wow! Nice! Whoa! A cement mixer! Wow! Blue and yellow set cement mixer! Woo! Hey, hey, hey! Another red small fuel truck! Wow! Miniature fuel truck. Hey! Beautiful miniature fuel truck. Whoa! Nice. It can also transform. Whoa! Whoa! Another dump truck with huge capacity. Wow! We can store 2 small vehicles in it. Whoa! Powerful truck under construction. Whoa! Mixer car. Hey, hey! Whoa! Powerful oil truck. Whoa! Looks shiny and beautiful. Orange transparent truck. Yellow shell. Gray tire. Gray toolkit. Whoa! Another beautiful truck. Hey! Oh, fire truck. It's a very big, expensive fire truck. Whoa, we can do this on this. Great power, great flexibility. With great power comes great responsibility. Hey! Spider-Man fire truck. Whoa! Oh no! My bowl is running out of space. I still have so many toys in my collection. Whoa! Another fuel truck. Ho ho! 100T non-smoking fuel truck. Orange and yellow. Orange tank, yellow shell. Orange tire fuel truck. Whoa! It also got ladders. Wow! Woohoo! Another cement mixer. Whoa! Fine looking cement mixer. Whoa! Whoa! It got lever. Whoa! Very shiny cement mixer. Nice! Comes from mobile machinery shop. Whoa! What? A small crane. Whoa! A powerful small crane. Woo! You can even play with the crane and pick up stuff like this. Hey! It can scratch. Whoa! Whoa! Nice! It looks like a crab. Krabby cement mixer. Shovel power. Backhoe. Whoa! A mother crane. Nice big mommy crane. Whoa! Damn! We can do this. Wow! It's flexible as well. Whoa! A powerful crane which can move any direction. Wow! Nice! Whoa! I love this toy. It's my most favorite. Wow, a blue bus. Nice. It's a blue green line bus. Red sticker, yellow wheel. Wow. It can hold 50 passengers. Wow. Nice. Whoa, another blue bus. It's Ben 10 Bull Bus. Nice, fiction bus. It can contain aliens from other world. It's Ben 10 Blue Bus. Whoa. Last toy. Hey, hey. Red bus. It's a city center red bus. Whoa. It looks so nice. Red and shiny city bus. Hey, hey. So many collection today. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.